Alright, teacher, how much I get? Nice CXC. How much I get? How much I get? Go on, look now. Let me see it now. I'm gonna stand up too close still, you know. Oh my God, all ones, all ones. My son got all ones. Oh my God. Woo. Ooh, I'm gonna tell the whole world. I go for news. I'm gonna tell all your auntie them, all your uncle. Oh my God. Woo. Watch out, watch out, watch out, watch out, watch out. I'm gonna call her auntie. I'm gonna call her auntie. Yes, man, Sherry. Ooh, my son get all ones. He get 12 ones, you know, man. My son bright, no man. How much your son get? He feel everything. He feel all subject them. Abe. Your son fully done. Your son fully done. My son bright. Your son done. Abe. Son, you did it, son. You did it, son. What's our TVJ news, yeah, man? Yes, Miss Kelly, how do you feel that your son got all ones on his CXC subjects? How do you feel? Yes, man, TVJ. I'm proud of my son. I'm proud of my son, man. He get 12 ones. Every night I tell him, CJ, no PUBG tonight, no PUBG. Just study and you can do it. And he did it. See, my sister's son there, him fully done. So you feel everything. You feel him fully done. My son fully bright, him pass everything. My sister and brother them, they feel all and test them. And my son did it. Woo. How much your son get? My son got 7. He done. Fully done. My son bright, your son done.